What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and we got a new product from Sansi. And I'm super excited about this product because it pertains to the garage, and you know how I love working in the garage. And this lighting is actually pretty good. We're actually using two bright Sansi bulbs right now. And we'll go into that in a second, but let's do a quick unboxing and check out this bad boy. Alright, so opening this up, you got a little packaging, you got your user guide, a little thank you card, and inside here I guess is just more protective packaging, and here's the bulk of it. So look at that, real wicked, real interesting, but it actually folds out, which is really cool. Let me back you up so you can see a full view. So let's talk about the specs real quick. It's 6,000 lumens, so you're getting 6,000 lumens of brightness coming out of all of these LEDs. It's 5,000K, so it's a little, not a bluish or not a yellowish either. It's more of a bright white. It's 60 watts of power being drawn through it, and it's your basic E26 bulb, or E26 base, which is your standard size bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these up there, and we're going to take a look what these look like. Alright, so real quick, these bulbs right now, these are also Sansi bulbs. I'll leave the link over here if you want to check out that video. So we got two of them up there, and I have a little LED light that's over here. This is LED strip light, work light. I'm going to turn that off for now, and then so we can take a look at what these two bulbs are doing separately. Okay, so these are just the two regular, and I mean regular, these are just Sansi bulbs, which are still super bright, but it's about to get a lot brighter in here. Let's go ahead and install the new bulbs. So there you have it, the two new Sansi bulbs. All right, so real quick, trying to get you up close here. Look at that, all of those LEDs lighting up. And I love how you're able to curve it up a little bit. So I have these rafters up there, that light actually hits up over there, which is great. Before, the light would just shine directly down and you'd get some residual light, but there's actually light being pushed over there and there as well, which is so cool. And without the LED shop light, it's super bright. You can see everything down here on the ground. And if I needed to, I can point the LEDs down to make them level. It's super cool. All right, so there you have it. I'm shooting so you can see the lights. I forgot to mention that the light is actually called the Sansi wing light. Wing meaning that you can flap it up and flap it down to wherever you want. But if you want to get these bulbs, I'll leave them in the description below so you guys can check that out. Thank you to Sansi for sending them out. They're super bright and I love the way they function. You know, about me and function. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.